Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can use ChatGPT to write any story for you. So at first go to google.com and then search for ChatGPT. Once you do, click on OpenAI, the first one that comes up, and then click on Try ChatGPT. And this may depend for some people according to your internet connection or even the traffic on ChatGPT, but you have to be patient. So suppose I want a story between a lion and a bird. So all I'll do is write me a story of a lion and bird, and suppose I want the word limit to be 400, or let's just say 200 words. So I'll just press enter and it's going to take some time, and then there you go. It's going to automatically write it for me. Now you have to be patient about this part, but once it loads, suppose you want another one, like write me a story of a lion and a bird, and you want to add more character, so just write add characters of cat, dog, and bear. And once you hit enter, you're going to see that it's going to take some time, but it's going to load it for you. Just be patient about it. And you see that all of these characters have been added, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.